Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install your Citi card to Google Pay for faster checkout, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Pay app on your smartphone. If you do not have the app yet, download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. On the home screen, look for the Payments section. Tap on Add a payment method. Choose credit or debit card from the options presented. Enter your Citi card details, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double-check that the information entered is accurate. Tap Save to proceed. Google Pay may prompt you to verify your card. Follow the on-screen instructions for the verification process. You may receive a one-time code via text message or email. Enter that code in the app when requested. Once verified, your Citi card will be added to Google Pay. You can now set your Citi card as the default payment method if desired. To do this, tap on your card in the Payments section. Select Set as Default from the options available. Finally, you're all set for faster checkouts using Google Pay with your Citi card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.